The art of heat, understanding boiling and simmering in English cooking vocabulary. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series on food and dining. Today, we'll be diving into the world of cooking and recipes. More specifically, we're going to discuss two essential cooking techniques, boiling and simmering. These terms are fundamental in many recipes, so understanding them will greatly expand your cooking vocabulary. Boiling is a cooking method that involves heating liquid to its highest temperature, where it transforms into vapor. In cooking, when we say something is boiling, we typically mean it's at or above 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the boiling point of water at sea level. In English, you'll often see phrases like, bring the water to a boil, or wait until the soup is boiling. This means you need to heat your liquid until it starts bubbling vigorously. Here are some sentences using the term boiling. Example 1. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Example 2. You need to wait until the sauce is boiling before adding the pasta. Simmering is a gentler method of cooking than boiling. It involves heating a liquid just below its boiling point, between 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to 95 degrees Celsius, 205 degrees Fahrenheit. When a liquid is simmering, you'll see small, gentle bubbles surfacing intermittently. In English, we might say, let the stew simmer, or, the soup should be simmering for 30 minutes. This means you should maintain your liquid at a temperature where it is producing small, gentle bubbles. Here are some sentences using the term simmering. Example 1. Once the vegetables are added, reduce the heat and let it simmer. Example 2. The soup has been simmering for the last half hour. The main difference between boiling and simmering lies in their temperature and the size and speed of the bubbles produced. Boiling creates fast, large bubbles, while simmering produces slow, small bubbles. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial in cooking. Some dishes require a vigorous boil, while others need a gentle simmer. Using the wrong technique can affect the texture and flavor of your dish. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the terms boiling and simmering in English cooking vocabulary. Remember, mastering these techniques is not just about improving your English, but also about becoming a better cook. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing your English cooking vocabulary.